northwest winds 10 to 20 miles. The preceding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
This is a required weekly test form 0039. Ceci est un test hebdomadaire obligatoire pour faculté 10%.
This is the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Bismarck, North Dakota. The preceding audio signals contain emergency alert system counter codes and the warning alarm tone to test the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System. Tests of these codes and the warning alarm tone are conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon Central Time or between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Mountain Time. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. These counter code and alarm tones will normally be used for weather warnings and emergency messages for 38 counties in western and central North Dakota, Harding and Perkins counties in northwestern South Dakota, and Sheridan, Richland, and Roosevelt counties in northeastern Montana. Once again, this was a weekly test of the alarm tone and county code tones. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Corpus Christi, partly sunny. This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time.
With little more than a light mountain shower or two. Conditions then turn warmer and dry heading in. This is the National Weather Service in Riverton, Wyoming. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning System for northwest Wyoming. The following counties and transmitters are covered by this test: Teton County by KWN39, Yellowstone National Park by WNG686 and WNG667, Eastern Park County IW and G563. Bighorn and Washakie Counties IW and G568. Carbon County of Montana IW and G563. Park County of Montana IW and G686. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. on each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver that is in good working order. We now return to our regular programming.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect from late tonight through Thursday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of D.C., Maryland, and Northern Virginia, including the following areas: in D.C., District of Columbia; in Maryland, Carroll, Cecil, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Southeast Hartford, and Southern Baltimore. In Northern Virginia, Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Eastern Loudoun, and Fairfax. From late tonight through Thursday afternoon, multiple rounds of showers and scattered thunderstorms capable of producing heavy rain are expected through Thursday afternoon. The most widespread heavy rain is most likely late tonight through early Thursday afternoon. Average rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected, with localized higher amounts of up to 4 inches possible. Heavy rain falling over increasingly saturated ground may result in flash flooding. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Alexandria reported 66.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the weather radio warning alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and for non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties, and coastal waters. After midnight, Saturday, west.
monthly test for the following areas in extreme southwestern California: Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators.
Weather Bulletin. For the following county: Washington, Ohio, and Pleasant, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Washington County in southeastern Ohio, northeastern Pleasant County in northwestern West Virginia, northeastern Ritchie County in northwestern West Virginia, northern Doddridge County in northern West Virginia, Tyler County in northern West Virginia, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Mary's to Pennsboro, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Mary's, Mid-Lebanon, Sistersville, Pennsboro, Matamoros, Ellenboro, Friendly, Alma, Greenwood, Arvilla, Point Lookout, New Matamoros, Wick, Mountain, Lima, Hebron, Center Point, Canton, and Highland. This includes Route 50 in West Virginia between mile markers 38 and 49. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Weather Bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Guernsey, Harrison, and Jefferson. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Harrison County in east central Ohio, southwestern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Guernsey County in east central Ohio, western Belmont County in east central Ohio, until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cadiz, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Barnesville, Cadiz, Freeport, Bethesda, Hospital, Flushing, Seal, Adana, Jewett, Belmont, Holloway, and New Athens. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for east central Ohio. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Weather Bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Harrison, and Jefferson, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Marshall, and Ohio. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Harrison County in east central Ohio, southeastern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, northeastern Belmont County in east central Ohio, Ohio County in northern West Virginia, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, Brooke County in northern West Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bethlehem, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Wheeling, Moundsville, Martins Ferry,
St. Clairsville, Bel Air, Warwood, Wellsburg, Bethlehem, West Liberty, Triadelphia, Clearview, and Valley Grove. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for East Central Ohio and Northern West Virginia. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, Charles County in southern Maryland, King George County in central Virginia, southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, east central Prince William County in northern Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dahlgren, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Waldorf, Clinton, Springfield, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Huntington, La Plata, Fort Belvoir, King George, Woodbridge, National Harbor, Dahlgren, Fairview Beach, Nanjemoy Creek, Popes Creek, Port Tobacco River, Burke, Lincolnia, and Camp Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Buoy 3, wind southeast.
This is the National Weather Service office in Honolulu, Hawaii. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio's public warning system. This is only a test. Tests of this signal are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather on the day of the test, it will be postponed to the next available fair weather day. For hazardous watches and warnings, the warning alarm tone will be activated for the following counties. In the KBA 99 listening area, Kauai, Honolulu, Maui, and Hawaii counties. In the WZ 2557 listening area, Kauai County. In the WWG 75 listening area, Maui and Hawaii counties. In the WWG 27 listening area, Hawaii County. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to our recorded programming.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, Howard County in central Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southwestern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, northern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Goddard or over Greenbelt, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Bowie, Severn, Pikesville, College Park, Greenbelt, Langley Park, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Largo, Bladensburg, Upper Marlboro, University of Maryland, FedEx Field, Historic Ellicott City, Keatonsville, Woodlawn, Reynoldstown, and Owings Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The New Hampshire State Police has activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct a practice demo. This concludes this test of the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for Nelson County in central Virginia, southeastern Augusta County in western Virginia, the city of Waynesboro in western Virginia, until 11:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 6 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waynesboro, Stewart's Draft, Sharonda, Winter Green, Afton, Montebello, Fishersville, Lyndhurst, Millisford, Arrington, Lovingston, Bryant, Tyro, Jonesboro, Greenfield, Massive Mill, Roseland, Afton Mountain, Piney River, Rockfish. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.